Hi there! In this quick tutorial, we shall look into how I could customize my conditional formatting feature in ValQ in order to understand the performance of my business KPIs. For this, I have already imported my sales forecast and sales budget as my primary and secondary data series. So let's get started. To begin with, I'll enter my design mode by clicking on this button here in my canvas. Navigate to my appearance section, and out of the 4 options that are reflecting here, I'll click on status bar option. Now, as I scroll down, I'll be able to check out my color indicator setting here. So this is the default setting that has been applied to my model here in my canvas. This means that if there is a variance between my forecast and budget, which is say less than -15%, then it would reflect red. If my variance is between -15% to -8%, it would reflect amber. If it's between -8% to 1%, it would reflect no color. And if it's above 1%, it would reflect green color. So to make changes to this default setting, all I have to do is click on the circle and edit. Say I change the value from -15 to -10, save the changes, and as I expand the tree, I'll be able to see that this new setting has been now applied to my model here in my canvas. Now, another interesting aspect that can be looked at is in fact the 3 parameters that are reflected here: variance, simulation impact, and hidden. So I will go for my variance option if I want to have a look at my actual forecast versus budget as well as my simulated forecast versus budget. However, if I don't want to have a look at my conditional formatting feature on my notes here in my canvas, I can always choose to hide them by clicking on my hidden button. Another interesting feature is that if you say have a primary data series wherein you want to have a look at your actual forecast versus your simulated forecast, all you have to do is activate the simulation impact button. So let's quickly have a look at it. Save the changes, and once it's done and once you do the simulation, you will be able to see that it will reflect the conditional formatting feature as per the setting that you have saved here. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this feature and keep watching this space for more.